Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I think you are good. I'm fine. My name is MD Suhanur Rahman Suhel. Welcome to Python tutorial 19. Well, if, elif, and else. Today we learn in Python using well, if, elif, and else. I will create two games: a guessing game, a sheep game. First we make a guessing game. Write here a variable name equal to guessing number. Write here well guessing limit 4. Now what if we want to change this variable name and rewrite it? See how not to cut here. Select variable, click right button, select reflect or short from C plus F6. Right here you want to change variable name guess count. Enter. Look, change the guess count variable name. Look, change the variable name guess underscore count equal to 0. You want to change this guess variable. Write your winner underscore number. You want to write your guess limit. Need a variable guess limit equal to guess limit 4. Here's a user. Guess the number he can give. I will give input option. Right here guess equal to parameter input. Write here a message for user guess number. Write here condition count plus equal to 1. If option is given because the winner number is matched, therefore the program will give the user a message. Write here if statement guess double equal to winner number. Print statement you won. You want to write your break. Write your else statement. Else option is giving here because his number doesn't match. Therefore the program will give the user a message. Write your else print statement. Sorry, you failed. Let's run the program. Write your wrong number. Look, program shows a second chance. Look, program give me third chance. Look, program give me last chance. Right here 4. Sorry, you failed. Run again program. Input winner number. You won. See, the program executed exactly as I said. Now I will create a sheep games comment. Let's start. Write here a variable name. Write here loop. Not equal. Write sheep for input option. Write if statement. Here we will type the letters that the user has to type exactly. If you use lowercase letter, the user should type lowercase letter. In capitalization, the user should type a capital letter. Now, if we do this, then the user will give lowercase or uppercase. Then we have to write in all the comments what kind of character the user will give. To make this work easier, we are just typing in lower right side of the input option parameter. No need comment uppercase or lowercase. Quit option we will give the elif statement. However, the quit option is not required here. Here is the true. Then write the true. Write print statement. Write elif for stop. Print statement. Save stop. Look, why this error? This is error because we don't give here color. Looks no any kind of error in program. Looks don't have any kind of error. Write an elif for user help. Colon. Write multiple comment. Start to start. Stop to stop the sheep. Quit to quit the game. And write an elif for quit the game. Elif here is why I wrote the quit option last, because the program completely shut down. This option will be used. Write print statement. Write check else statement. Write here a message. Sorry, I don't understand that. Let's run the program. Right here start. Ship start. Right here stop. Ship stop. Right help. Start to start the ship. Stop to stop the ship. Quit to quit the game. Right here quit. Quit the games. See, after writing quit, the user have an option to write anything else. Why this problem? Because we didn't write break. Right here break. And again run the program. Start, ship start, stop, ship stop, and start to start the ship. Right here quit. See, after writing quit, the user has no option to write anything else. Again run the program. Write here a wrong command. Sorry, I don't understand that. This message shows for else statement. Right quit. Quit the games. Program executed very well. In this way, you can comment our games. You can also create games using this process. Thank you very much because you watched the entire video. So watch and practice all the videos. One day you will be a professional programmer. To watch the next video, click on the subscribe and bell icon. I wish you the best in your life. You are always good. Bye.